Hey guys, this is Mike's Alter Ego, and today we're going to be unboxing the Super Nintendo Classic Edition. Alright, so this is the new Super Nintendo Classic, and as you can see it comes with these 20 games, and this is the list of games it comes with. Contra the Alien Wars, Donkey Kong Country, Earthbound, Final Fantasy III, F-Zero, Kirby's Dream Course, Kirby Superstar, Mega Man X, Secret of Mana, Star Fox 1 and 2, Street Fighter 2, Super Castlevania, Super Ghouls and Ghosts, Super Mario Kart, Super Mario RPG, Super Mario World, Super Metroid, Super Punch-Out, Zelda, Link to the Past, and Yoshi's Island. Alright, so now let's open this box. You can see here it comes with some instructions on how to put it together. And this is one of the controllers. And this one is the second controller. Alright, so now we have two cables. One is your USB. This is going to be your power cable. The next one is an HDMI. And so now, the moment of truth. The Super Nintendo unit. Alright, guys, I tell you the truth, this thing is pretty small. It had a place in the center here where the card went into, the cartridge. It has the power, okay, that works. That little gray center piece, that was the eject button. It's just really weird, guys, seeing this so small. There's your HDMI, and that's your USB. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the Nintendo, and I'll show you my original Super Nintendo. See that? This is the Super Nintendo. As you see, the gray button opens up, and it's an eject button for a card or cartridge. Now look how small that is. I can't believe this. This is amazing. The technology today. And as you can see, it has two ports for video and one port for power. You could use either port for the video. So what we used to do is insert the game, and we were able to play. And the game here is Donkey Kong Country, which is included in the new Super Nintendo. And this is the adapter I told you about. If you don't have a USB, this will plug into your wall. So my TV here has a USB, and it also has an HDMI. So let's get started and see what games we can play. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you open up the game, when you turn it on. You got all the games here, the covers and the names of them, and things like Secret of Mana, Mega Man X. Now Star Fox is different. Star Fox you have to beat, I think, level 1 in order to go to the other game, which is Star Fox 2. Now, some of these games I've never played before, but some of them I have, like Zelda and Super Metroid. Contra 3 I've never played before, but I know Scrappy's going to want to play this, and I'll give you a narration of how the game plays while Scrappy's playing the game. So in the next video, we're going to play each game, like a little clip of each game, and then you're going to judge based on how the game plays which game you want Scrappy to play. Alright guys, this is Mike's Alter Ego. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then, peace!